All right, everybody. It's another season of day tripping. And guess what? It's the day before opener, and you know what I've done again? Haven't prepared at all. Is that right, Frankie? Is that right? Now we're gonna go into the depths of the gear basement, try to get organized. Because I'm headed to the river tomorrow. Water's high, it's been raining, but the rain stopped, so I'm thinking hopefully we'll get into some, some fishies tomorrow. I'm gonna fish with good pal Josh on the fly, but right now it's all about what is in these bags. Hey, Frankie! Things are slowly taking shape here. I think the next step is to load up. I'm a vest guy now. Just remember this from last year. I think it's time to load up the vest. Whoa. Not for too long. Definitely gonna want those. But you gotta have the Maxima. Come on. You're even Canadian if you're not fishing Maxima. And it's Bobber City. Got these new, I can't remember the brand name, but splits in the middle. Whoa, cool. I'll try those out tomorrow for the first time. All right, I think next step is fly organization. Anybody who's ever fished with me knows I like doing a couple things here. I like having a big box stuff and then having a small little container or a little, what I call a go box, just handy in the vest. And then all my backup flies can be somewhere else. But obviously I haven't touched this since the last time I went trout fishing, and that was in Montana. I think I'm pretty, oh yeah, and of course I gotta get my squirmies together. It's also kind of fun. I picked these up when I'm traveling. Most fly shops will have their own little branded ones. This was from Wyoming, which is kind of fun. And this was from the Bow River. I mean, here's another thing I like doing, especially with Josh, is make river Negronis. Campari's already in there. Bring a few cups. Just pre-batching the cocktails. Then we're gonna tie some squirmies. Okay, well, there we go. I'm gonna make up 300 of these, because again, high water. We'll be fishing these. We'll see you in the morning. Oh, we got a sad Frankie here. Well, yeah, it's the next morning. It's time to go to the river. It's time to go to the river. Just gotta pack up a few more things here. People probably watch these and they're like, man, these guys are so Canadian. But, I mean, we are. But, there's something about Timmies and a road trip. That's it. I don't drink it any other time. It's not even coffee. Oh yeah, hi. Could I please have a dark roast double-double?
Yep, medium.
Yeah, medium sounds good. Can I get an apple juice?
Yep.
And just 2 hash browns, please.
Thank you.
And 2 hash browns. Yeah, perfect.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, great. See you soon. This guy's all business. That was the fastest. I was from order to food. I listen, I get it that it's fast food, but is there such a thing as too fast food? Oh. I always have a playlist for the first fish. I don't know, does anybody else do that? I'd love to have you guys listen to it, but obviously there's copyrights. But anyway, guess we'll see you on the river. Hi. Suddenly, a wild Josh appears. Look at that! Nice and wide. We're gonna have a good day?
Absolutely.
Opener!
It is.
So nice. Do I push you in? There he goes. Oh, watch the rod tips. Easy now. Well, that's a thickie.
Oh, look how thick.
Squirmy eater by yours truly. Man, you are gorgeous. Oh man, that's so sick. Okay. Bye-bye. Your turn. Beer? That deserves a beer. That's an opener beer.
You know what? That was a sketchy net job.
I'm shaking. Feeling about this float so far?
Pretty good.
Yeah?
You have an Oreo snack.
Yeah.
Very exciting. It's new water.
It's nice to have new water.
Yeah, honestly, I didn't know what to expect here, but I'm happy. This is really nice.
Yeah, this is nice.
It's a pretty chill spot.
Fly retrieval. I did not cast this, by the way. Just helping. Well, we've arrived at obstacle number 2. The particularly evil omen of a cracked canoe. I think we'll be fine though. We're just gonna walk them. We're just gonna walk them over the roughest water, and then I think we'll be in an eddy and we'll be peachy keen. Yay! All right, made it. Definitely an awesome run. If you could get something out of it. There's gotta be a fish here! As we make our way further down, we see Josh hammering the banks. Okay, well, obstacle number 3. So I think what we gotta do is line these again. Well, suffice to say that was gnarly, but we made it. I'm gonna do that again, but it's fine. Ah! Fishy, fishy, fishy. Josh needs a fishy. Huh?
Oh, I got one up yesterday.
I mean, you got a fish yesterday. Oh! Well, that's it. Bit of a slow afternoon. But we escaped with our lives. I lost my net. If anybody sees a purple net floating around southern Ontario, you know, enjoy it. Give it back to me, or enjoy it. Josh?
Hi.
Do that in better conditions?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
It's good float. Good water. I really want to do it again. Dry fly time.
Ooh.
Weeks.
Dry fly time. Okay, well, it's a new season. So Flight YouTube 2023, kicking it off.